Welcome to Easy English Talk Ready, the place where English comes alive. Shadowing means listening closely and repeating right after me. Matching tone, rhythm, and speed. Whether you're learning for school, work, or just for fun, this podcast is here to help you speak with confidence, understand idioms, and enjoy the beauty of the English language. Each episode, we'll explore everyday conversations, useful expressions, and practical tips you can use right away. Today I want to take you through a day in my life, just as it happens. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's make English learning exciting together. This is Easy English Talk Ready. Your journey to fluent English starts here. Every morning, my alarm clock rings at 6:30. Every morning, my alarm clock rings at 6:30. I do not like to wake up early. I do not like to wake up early. I usually stay in bed for 5 more minutes. I usually stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Then, I slowly get up and open the curtains. Then, I slowly get up and open the curtains. The morning sun helps me feel more awake. The morning sun helps me feel more awake. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. Cold water feels very refreshing on my skin. Cold water feels very refreshing on my skin. After that, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. After that, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I make sure to use a minty toothpaste. I make sure to use a minty toothpaste. Now, it is time for my favorite part, breakfast. Now, it is time for my favorite part, breakfast. I go to the kitchen and boil some water. I go to the kitchen and boil some water. I like to drink green tea with a lemon. I like to drink green tea with a lemon. For food, I eat oatmeal with some fresh fruit. For food, I eat oatmeal with some fresh fruit. This healthy meal gives me energy for the day. This healthy meal gives me energy for the day. At 8 o'clock, I put on my shoes and jacket. At 8 o'clock, I put on my shoes and jacket. I leave the house and walk to the station. I leave the house and walk to the station. I always take the train to my office downtown. I always take the train to my office downtown. During the ride, I read a book or listened to music. During the ride, I read a book or listened to music. I arrive at my workplace at 9 o'clock sharp. I arrive at my workplace at 9 o'clock sharp. First, I turn on my computer and check emails. First, I turn on my computer and check emails. My desk is organized so I can work better. My desk is organized so I can work better. I spend the morning writing reports and making calls. I spend the morning writing reports and making calls. Sometimes I have meetings with my friendly colleagues. Sometimes I have meetings with my friendly colleagues. At noon, everyone takes a break for 1 hour. At noon, everyone takes a break for 1 hour. I usually eat lunch at a small park nearby. I usually eat lunch at a small park nearby. I brought a chicken sandwich and an apple today. I brought a chicken sandwich and an apple today. It is nice to breathe fresh air during lunch. It is nice to breathe fresh air during lunch. After eating, I walk around for 10 minutes. After eating, I walk around for 10 minutes. The afternoon is usually very busy for me. The afternoon is usually very busy for me. I finish my last tasks and prepare for tomorrow. I finish my last tasks and prepare for tomorrow. I leave the office at 5 in the evening. I leave the office at 5 in the evening. I feel a bit tired, but I am happy. I feel a bit tired, but I am happy. On my way home, I stop at the supermarket. On my way home, I stop at the supermarket. I need to buy milk, eggs, and some pasta. I need to buy milk, eggs, and some pasta. I try to buy fresh vegetables every few days. I try to buy fresh vegetables every few days. The store is very crowded at this time. The store is very crowded at this time. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. I cook a simple dinner while watching the news. I cook a simple dinner while watching the news. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean up. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean up. Then, I sit on the sofa to relax. Then, I sit on the sofa to relax. Call my family or a good friend. Call my family or a good friend. Before bed, I like to do some light stretching. Before bed, I like to do some light stretching. I write in my journal about my day. I write in my journal about my day. It helps me clear my mind before I sleep. It helps me clear my mind before I sleep. I turn off the lights at 10:30. I turn off the lights at 10:30. I am ready for a good night's rest. I am ready for a good night's rest. You did an amazing job today. Consistency is the key to learning English. Listen to this every day to improve faster. You can find more resources on our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next episode.